Have you ever tasted a sun-ripened apricot? They're heavenly. But did you know you could grow this delicious fruit at home? In this video, we'll explore the wonderful world of Prunus Armeniaca, or the apricot tree, and why it's a fantastic choice for your garden. Let's dive into why you should consider growing apricot trees. First, apricots are easy to grow. They thrive in various climates and soil types. Second, these trees produce delicious, nutritious fruit. Apricots are low in calories and high in vitamins. They're perfect for snacking, cooking, or baking. Now, let's look at the key steps for growing your own apricot tree. First, choose the right variety for your climate. Some varieties prefer warm, dry conditions, while others need a bit more moisture. Next, select a sunny location in your yard. Apricot trees require full sun for healthy growth. Once you've picked the spot, prepare the soil. Apricots prefer well-drained soil. If your soil isn't great, consider adding compost to enrich it. After that, plant your apricot tree in early spring. Dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball. Place the tree in the hole and cover it with soil. Water it thoroughly after planting. As your tree grows, provide regular care. Water it during dry spells, especially in the first few years. Pruning is also essential. Remove dead or crossing branches to promote healthy growth. This helps the tree develop a strong structure and improves airflow. Now let's consider a practical example. Imagine picking fresh apricots from your backyard. You can eat them raw, add them to smoothies, or bake them in pies. Plus, apricots can be made into jams and preserves, extending your harvest. In summary, growing Prunus Armeniaca offers numerous benefits. It's an easy-to-grow tree that provides delicious, healthy fruit. You can enjoy fresh apricots straight from your garden. With proper care, your tree will thrive and produce a bountiful harvest for years to come. So, are you ready to start your apricot growing adventure? Hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Comment below if you have any questions or need advice on growing apricots. Happy gardening!